How to create a Riversweeps shop account. This video is designed to help our agents and distributors maximize their profits. Log in. Log into your Subdistributor account by visiting https://riverpay.office/login shop. Click the Create Shop, then scroll down until you see the required details to fill out. Select account type and type in login username and password, then click Create Shop. Balance. To load withdraw credits, click the Deposit button on the account you wish to perform the transaction. To load, enter a positive value. To withdraw, enter a negative value. Hit subscribe and don't forget to share this video.